Wow.
Could include Poole, Cleasonton, Hazard, and Litchfield. Take cover now.
It's right there.
To an interior
Look at that.
on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued at 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties.
Look at that.
Warning received. Northern Buffalo County. Thunderstorm capable of strong ball-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles south of Cleasonton, or 13 miles north of Kearney, moving north at 35 miles per hour. In addition,
It's coming.
16 p.m. 7 miles northwest of Gibbon with this storm. Locations impacted include Poole, Cleasonton, Rametta, Rockville, and Hazard. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. This is a super cell phone warning. A tornado warning remains in effect for southwestern Sherman and north central Buffalo counties until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Cleasonton, or 19 miles north of Kearney, moving north at 25 miles per hour. At 4:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large cone tornado 3 miles east of Cleasonton. Locations impacted include Hazard and Litchfield. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Sherman County, Nebraska. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for southern Sherman and northern Buffalo counties until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That's a freaking tornado.
Yeah. It's about 2 miles from us. Well, 1.5 miles.
About fucking time, it's already touched the ground.
Already touched down, yeah, I know, and going back up now.
Now it's coming closer to us.
What's really interesting about this is once this begins to dissipate, you'll see a little finger. Something else that's interesting too is if you look to the left of the forming funnel cloud, you'll see a trickle of lightning fly off from the edge to the left of the funnel. See right there. Very interesting. Another really interesting thing is the fingers. See the finger? Finger of the tornado. My camera won't stay focused in on it. Very, very interesting. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I will now. this tornado tried to touch down just a moment, like about 2 or 3 minutes before this, and it dissipated the same way pretty much. This does go on. It actually touches the ground now. Here in a little bit we see it start to touch the ground, and then it stops, or it looks like it does. You can see right here it looks like it's going to touch the ground. And I thought at this point that it actually had touched the ground, but in fact it actually didn't. It's too bad. During the making of this I had to wipe the camera off, so if there's little gaps where it glitches, I've cut those parts out, or I've wiped the camera lens off with my shirt. Tried to use my hand there to keep some of the rain off the lens, which worked okay, I guess. Okay, now here in a second, looks like it goes all the way to the ground. You'll see how white it gets when it reaches the ground. Now right there I thought it reached the ground, but it hadn't. It looks like it did, but it hadn't.
Just touched the ground. Seen some flashes.
Did you notice those 2 quick flashes left of the tornado funnel? At this point it is actually on the ground, or was during those flashes. I don't know if those were lightning flashes or if they were transformer flashes, but I do know that there's no transformers out there in that field. So maybe tomorrow I'll go out and look to see maybe what that was.
It seems to be only about a mile from us. It's hailing. Winds are pretty strong. I'm in the lee side of our building. It's into the point where I can't see it anymore. Oh, there it is. Got large hail coming down now. It's moving to star from tap. This thing switches direction. Might be the last time you hear from me. And if that's the case, well, it's been fun. I think the good Lord will spare us. I'm hoping. Take a break for a minute to wipe my glasses off. I'm back on again. Trying to keep the camera clear. I'm trying to avoid the tail at the same time.
Took your head on. Oh my god. Oh my god, took your head on. Yeah, it's getting bigger.
There it goes. Let's lift.
Come on, lift back up.
Turn right, baby. Turn right. Turn right.
Come on. Oh my god, that thing's big. That thing's huge. It's on the ground, y'all. It's right there. Look at it.
Turn right, baby.
That sucker is huge. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, that thing's huge.
Y'all better get in there if you go.
See it, chicken your head on.
Turn right, baby. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right.
What?
It's coming right at us. Oh my god, I can't believe this
I'm all
crap.
right.
It's getting F2 side. F2.
Come on, you gotta turn right. I want to go the other direction.
Oh man, that's a confused, ain't it? Holy crap.
My god, it's getting big. Oh my god. Turn.
F2 tornado. Turn right, baby. Come on. Let's turn it. Freaking right for us.
It's turning that way a little slightly.
Come on, I want to record it.
Oh god.
Come on, baby. Keep turning right.
Go there?
I think it's going right.
Turn right, baby.
It's turning right, so I hope that's what it does. It's going to barely miss us if it misses us. It'll probably come right down on us, I bet you anything. If not, it'll go right here across the...
Good Lord, help me. Yep.
Oh, it's coming this way, tearing everything up its path. There it is.
Oh man.
Oh my gosh, tearing everything up. It's tearing them houses over there up.
Yep.
Oh my god. Bill, I'll be down there in a second, believe me. Oh god, it's roping this direction. Bill, I'm coming. Don't worry, mate. I'm going down for kids.
It's going straight to you too.
Oh my god, it's coming right this way. Oh my god, all the debris.
Yeah, this is crazy.
It's coming right at us. Now it's picking up.
We got debris coming this way. It's going back.
It's going up now. I think it's going across the highway there. Oh no, it's still on the ground. It's still on the ground. It's tearing all them houses up. It's still on the ground still. Oh my god, Mama. Their house is gone over there. Debbie's house is gone. That's her house is hitting right now. That's her house right there in the country right there. That's out the river there. It's gone. Her house is gone. Oh my god. Hope she wasn't there. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's tearing them houses up. Oh my god.
Come on, Sandy. I hope y'all see it.
They're down there watching it. Oh my god, this thing is impossible. This is crazy. Yeah, I think it's best for us to go. The wind's off of it anyway. Yeah, it's been on the ground, heading left. Go ahead and go down, Mom. It's crossing the highway, going that way now.
Look at that shit.
Coming right at us.
Oh, fuck.
Alex, come here! Alex, there's a tornado right here. Look.
Oh my God!
Come and look at it.
Look at that
Look at it,
fucking
right here.
shit.
Oh my God!
Get Alex out of here. Hurry up. You'll never see. This is coming right at us.
Damn, we gotta go inside.
This is coming right at us. It's gonna die right now. Watch.
Holy shit, that was amazing.
This is so totally cool. It's unbelievable.
Wow, I got it all on video.
It's coming right at us. It's gonna die as soon as it gets off the water.
Yeah, these are little pussy. They don't do nothing.
Hurry up!
Hurry up!
Hurry up! Hurry up, get out here! There's a friggin' tornado right in front of your house.
That's bad.
How cool is that? Is that the most amazing thing you've ever
Go
seen?
somewhere? What should we do?
No, it'll die as soon as the water. We should run down there and see that.
No.
That is absolutely incredible.
Wow, that was cool watching it come up. It
It's
came up
still-
from the
it's
bottom.
Still there. They do come up. Where's Wayne?
In front of our house.
It came up from the bottom.
I've never seen a tornado before. Look at it spinning.
That's sweet.
Oh my god. We can all be like killed standing here on the Seriously.
I don't think those things are that powerful.
That's it. Here's a fire car.
That's a real water spout. That's a water spout. So that's
That's
I
wild.
was gonna say that's not really freaking science. It's still insane.
Then it'll just go right up into the.
Yeah.
That was weird. It came up from the bottom and
It's
from
getting
the.
closer. Zoe, stay.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down here.
This has been down here for 3 or 4 minutes.
That's wild, dude. Holy shit.
This is awesome, isn't it?
That's the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Without a doubt. That is amazing, isn't it?
That's fucking awesome.
Most amazing thing I've ever seen.
Damn, you think that'd pick a boat up? Oh, right? That's it. It looks like it's dying out now.
With the water about 300 yards away. It's the most amazing thing. I'm standing here, Rob. I am looking at this thing. It's absolutely spectacular. It's 300 yards away.
We were sitting in our living room watching TV.